Y'all, how did we get here?
Well, listen, it's my favorite. Had a wild night, guys. Wow.
How did we get here? Before 8 o'clock is $5 items, so I got 3 drinks. I'm thinking about getting a 4th just to be spontaneous.
$40.
You have you got the regular.
I'm gonna eat like I'm eating this food. I'm gonna eat over smoking the damn hookah.
It's food or hookah?
Food. Fucking food. I'm gonna choose food every single time.
When it comes to a meal, I'ma have it. She gonna eat it. I don't know if you gonna hear us, but I'm pretty sure they can hear us. So I'll hit you up when the girls get here because I was debating on vlogging, and then this one said, "Wow, you're not gonna vlog?" Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Whatever. I don't know. But I guess we vlogging. We semi-vlogging. We gonna start it on Thursday. It's Thursday night, and it is 7:55. They got 5 minutes before 8 o'clock to get $5 drink. I don't know where they're at. They're not answering. I was gonna order for them. Oh well. Too bad. Too bad. They're mad. They text me once that the other one said I'm down the street.
But my thing is, you already knew that happy hour was until 8 o'clock.
Exactly. And the original time, they're going to see right there. But the original time was 6:45. Wait.
So finally,
You can't dress? With makeup? You can't dress? Okay.
dress?
I think I started something. I got what I wanted. Didn't I? Can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record. Auto tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model bra with a Hollywood smile. Stripper booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, better at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she went to CC trip. Perfect, I took a seat on the ice cold dawn. She handed me an ice blue bong, whatever. She said she wanna be a dentist really bad. She's in school paying for tuition, doing porn in the fat.
Can we talk for a minute? I go the other. That's the reason why. When I, something now is taking over me. Go, yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stay here.
At least you're working, but girl, I can't feel my face. But I was smoking anyway. She said, don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste? Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me none. Love me none, love me none.
we get here?
Where are we?
How? It was supposed to be
No, it was not. Nobody didn't say that.
Dulce
Nobody didn't say.
and back home.
Nobody didn't say that.
We said let's just go eat, have a drink, happy hour. That's not what we said.
Yeah.
So how did this is not happy hour time.
What had happened was we were feeling the moment,
That's what happened?
and then it switched. Yes, decided to switch to a different place.
That's crazy. The fact that you sat there and said we was feeling the moment.
The place was too cold, first of all, to enjoy anything.
So that's why you wanted to go to the next spot?
I did not even pick this spot. Why you making it seem like it's a me thing?
How did we get here? How did we get here? How did we get here?
Tim.
Numb. Sink full of dishes, pacing in the kitchen, cocaine for breakfast. Yikes, bed full of women, flip on a tripod, little red light on, shooting, I'm feeling like Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like.
Ask me how I got here. How? Listen, last night, I'm still trying to figure out how does a happy hour, go get a drink and some food became to 4 o'clock in the morning. Mind you, I go to work. I leave my house at 6:45. And now it's 5:18. I'm still confused on how this happened. I'm so confused. We had one shot. Somebody bounced around the shots. She bounced around the shots. I don't know how we got to the second shot. I don't know if somebody on the table got us a shot or another friend got us a shot. Then it became 8, 9 shots. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm functioning. Listen, enough of me talking. I don't know if y'all tired of me going out, but this is some real life shit. Oh, I feel like I gotta throw up. Oh, Jesus, please don't throw up, please. I actually have a client. I wanted to come home so that after work and take my ass a shower and straight to bed. I don't care who called me. I don't care who texted me. I was just gonna go straight to bed today. Cause today I'm gonna go to the client, wash, take a bath, and then take my ass to bed. Saturday I work at my main job and I work at my little job. I don't know if they trying to go out on Saturday, but I'm not gonna lie, I might miss their phone call. I am not gonna lie. I am not, because I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. You tell me we're gonna go get a drink and food and vibe. Then we end up at Tootsie's. I don't like that. 8 shots in. I don't like that. You saying that. I don't like that. What's up, you guys? Good flipping morning. It's Mother judge your what? Mama. Why am I hyped? You want to know why I'm hyped? Let me explain to you. Because y'all already seen it in the vlog already. So, again, it was supposed to be go for drinks during happy hour, get food, and back home. That's what it was supposed to be. How the fuck did I end up home almost 4 o'clock in the morning? How? I woke up for work and left my house at 7:30. Was in this stupid ass traffic. Didn't get no sleep. Left for work. Went to a client after work. Still didn't get no motherfucking sleep. Got home, took a shower. I was trying to watch one episode of Love is Blind with my mama because she liked watching that show because I got her on that show. But I tried watching one episode. I knocked out. I woke up this morning energized. Thank God. Because I'm not going to lie. I didn't get no sleep. I did not get no sleep. And I feel so energized. I feel rested and everything. Now, what I'm doing today, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing today. Oh, Jesus. Oh. 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 Phew. Listen. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Let me fix it out. Cause y'all just. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Oh, this ain't even all right. It is. What time is it? Oh, my lashes. My skin wanna glow here, there. It's 7:55 in the morning. I could not vlog earlier this morning. I know. I'm on the road. I'm actually. I actually woke up at like. What time I woke up? At 6 in the morning. Well, 5:45 around here. I woke up at 5:45 because I had somebody's makeup to do, and I told the people I'm not a MUA. I'm not a MUA. But they loved how I did their makeup. So, and you know what's horrible about me? I don't be taking pictures. Should I go to the new Starbucks right there, or should I go to this Starbucks? I think I'm gonna go to that one because the last time I went, they did a really good job on my Starbucks. And this one, they're a little ghetto for me. They're a little ghetto. But no, yes. So, long story short, I'm happy Sunday. And happy flipping Sunday. But I am going to Starbucks right now, because my client is in the dryer. So, I have time and I'm hungry. So, you know. She was like, ooh, you here so early. I said, yes, baby, because I gotta make money. And then on top of that, the Super Bowl is here. I don't have nowhere to go though. And I don't really be watching football. And ain't nowhere to barbecue. Anybody want to invite me somewhere? I might send a message group chat and be like, hey, anybody having a party? I just want to watch halftime. I really just want a really nice burger on the grill. Who am I to say? But I'm gonna see y'all at Starbucks because I'm driving and the lady next to me is like staring at me. And I don't want to embarrass myself. You ever seen people, like, you recording yourself and they're like, oh, you record yourself? Like, what do? You don't want to say, I'm a YouTuber, because then they go on YouTube and they say, oh, you're not really a YouTuber because you got like 43 subscribers. Bitch, I had 42 in the beginning of the year. And now I got one more. Just let me be great. Let me be great.
Model bra with the Hollywood smile.
This is some bullshit. Why does Starbucks not have a bacon, Gouda, and egg sandwich? And then she said, we don't have no breakfast sandwich at this time. Is it because the line is hella long? Or do y'all really just don't have it?
Hi, 2145. How are you? Here are the cheese Danish and honey cheese croissant.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh. This is the best one. Well, not that I come to Starbucks all the time, but it's so good, but I don't know. Maybe I wanted it sweeter. But last time I said, can I get extra sweet cream foam? And I said extra caramel drizzle. They fucking dumped the whole bottle in the damn thing. That's why I asked for this one. I just said a little drizzle. You know, on a fucking croissant. For breakfast. All I'm gonna say is like, comment, and subscribe. And your mama. Your mama. That's all I'm gonna say. Your mama. Because you're not gonna talk about me. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I gotta say. Bye.